Hey everyone, today I've got a face mask on because in case you didn't see my last video, my skin is freaking the fuck out right now. I have no idea why, but it hates me right now. So I've put a face mask on and we're gonna go through my Walmart beauty box and my Sephora Play Box because they actually both came at the same time this month, which never happens. The Walmart beauty box is a quarterly subscription box, so you get this 4 times a year, and then the Sephora Play Box is a monthly subscription box. I believe the Walmart beauty box is only $5. So even though you don't get like the best stuff in it, I still think it's worth it because it's so cheap and it's 4 times a year. And then the Sephora Play Box is $10 a month, and like I said, you get it monthly and you get products from Sephora in it. So yeah, let's just open these up. All my roommates are gone out of the house. They're already home, traveling home for the holidays. I go home tomorrow, but I wanted to film these so that I can get them up when I am home this weekend. All right, let's open these up. So, the Walmart beauty box. Oh, cute. That's cute. Okay, here, let's move the Sephora Play Box out of the way. This says, "Focus Your Beauty." It's got like a cool 60s, 70s design, and then just a card. Okay, that's useless. All right, this is such cute paper. Go Walmart. All right, let's open it up. Oh, except then we're gonna see all the products. Let's just like reach in. Let's do it this way. So the first product here is the Gold Bond Ultimate Radiance Renewal Hydrating Cream. So, okay. This says exfoliates and nourishes dry skin. So the Gold Bond Ultimate Healing Lotion is my all-time favorite lotion ever. It's just so moisturizing, but it doesn't leave your hands feeling greasy. It barely has a smell. It's so good. But I'm confused because this says 7 nourishing moisturizers, but it says it exfoliates. Hold on. Yeah, this is not an Okay, this is a moisturizer, right? Apply liberally to skin as often as needed. Reapply. Yeah, this is just a moisturizer, but somehow it exfoliates your skin? What? Okay, it doesn't have any little gritty grain things in it. It just feels like a moisturizer. Interesting. I wonder why it says that it exfoliates skin. Like, what in it is doing that? Anyway, that's cool. It's always nice to have a little hand cream for your purse in a nice little mini size. Next up, we've got the Plackers Micro Mint. These are those little dental flossers, which I actually am kind of excited to have these because I really enjoy using them, but I'm never gonna like go out and buy these. I just get them from the dentist sometimes, but they're way better than regular floss because you don't have to like stick your hands in your mouth. You can just use one of these, get between all the teeth, get the back teeth that you can't reach with regular floss. I'm kind of excited about these, and they come in a cute little travel case. The next product is the Tresemme Extra Firm Control Hairspray. I will probably be giving this to my mom when I'm home over Christmas because I never ever use hairspray. I have owned the same bottle of hairspray for like 6 years, I think. I never use it. So, I mean, this is a really good sized bottle, but yeah, my mom will she uses hairspray like every day, so she'll love getting that. I need to remember to actually pack this in my suitcase. The next product, what do we have here? Oh my god, is this a sheet mask? Okay, it's not a sheet mask. It kind of looks like it is because it came in one of these packets. It's the Donkey Milk Sleeping Mask. So I think it's just a cream in this little packet. Is it actually donkey milk? That's so weird. Soothes and restores skin. This is cute packaging for a product at Walmart. I love that it's like matte and then has the glossy lettering on it. I'm excited about this. Usually we don't get cool stuff like this in the Walmart box. It's usually like a lotion, a hair product, another lotion, or a body wash. So I'm really excited we got this cool mask. This is like turning out to be one of the best Walmart beauty boxes that I've gotten. Okay, next up we have the Body Fantasies Layering Collection Eau de Toilette Sprays. They come in this cute little box. I'm assuming it's like perfume samples. Yes, 2 perfume samples and a coupon for $1 off. What are they? Oh, these are large perfume samples. These aren't the normal size. So this one says Tropical Wish, and this one says Cozy Cotton. Also, I don't know what that is. I pretty much always have marks on my hands from various things. I don't know. I like never have completely clean hands. Anyway, these are huge perfume samples. I'm gonna spray them right now and let you know what I think. So I just sprayed them. They're alright. The tropical one I do not like. I'm gonna give this one away. The cotton one, I'll use it. It's not my most favorite scent I've ever smelled, but it's not bad. Next up, we've got a large thing. What is this? This says Hello Pure Mint. I think it's toothpaste. I think I've actually gotten this brand before from a Walmart beauty box. So, I mean, I don't know, that's a little bit disappointing because we've already gotten this exact product. But, I mean, I guess I don't have it anymore, so it's nice to have some more toothpaste. This is like an all-natural toothpaste, which I gotta say, when I used this last time, I was not a fan of, but it's not terrible. Like, I like the idea that it's all natural and not bad for you, but it's just weird. I don't know if you've ever used a natural toothpaste, but they're weird, and I don't know how to describe them other than that, so you'll just have to try it for yourself to see. Alright, everything else in the box is like sample packets and coupons, so you get $2 off a Hello toothpaste. You get these huge Shea Moisture Curl and Shine shampoo and a curl enhancing smoothie. So I don't have curly hair, but my roommate does, so I'm gonna see if she wants these. This is really nice packaging also, like it just feels nice and the design is beautiful. But yeah, this one over here is massive. Like, you get so much product in this, so that's cool. I'm assuming this is a coupon. Save 35 cents on some pluckers. Here's a couple more packets. We've got a Nivea In-Shower Body Lotion packet and just a regular lotion packet. I really, really like the In-Shower body moisturizers. Those are always good to have. This is just an ad for the perfumes. And then one last foil packet is the Olay, what is it called? The Olay Luminous Tone Perfecting Cream. So yeah, I'll put this in with all my other foil packets and use it someday. Okay, I am really happy with that Walmart box. That is probably one of the best ones that we've gotten. Like I said, it's nothing like a Sephora Play Box, but it's only $5 and you get quite a bit of stuff usually. So, oh, and this. So yeah, I'll stick with the Walmart beauty box. And now let's open up the Sephora Play Box and see what we got in there. Alright, opening the box, the first thing I see is the little booklet that you usually get, except this month it's different. It's not like just white and black, it's this beautiful navy blue with like an Art Deco design on it. I am into this, and I really love the design of the little play card. That is so cute. The play cards you can redeem for 50 points inside of Sephora. Unfortunately though, that means you have to purchase something in an actual Sephora. It doesn't work online for some reason, which is so dumb because I buy all my Sephora stuff online, so I can't really ever use those. And then usually these papers just have like cool information on them, and then on the back side it talks about the products that you're getting in the box, but I don't want to know what those are yet, so I'm just going to set this aside. Alright, and then the bag also has an Art Deco design on it, so that must be the theme this month, and this time we have a nice off-white kind of cream-colored silky bag instead of the normal white cotton bag. So I really like that. It's very festive and glam and holidays. It says glam straight. That's funny. Glam straight. Alright, let's open the bag and see what we've got. So the first product that I'm pulling out is iBasics. Is that the brand? I've never heard of this brand. Oh, no. It's Laura Mercier. It's the Laura Mercier Eye Basics. What are you? Is it a cream eyeshadow, or is it a base, or is it a concealer? What are you? Alright, this says it's a crease-proof, water-resistant primer. It doesn't specifically anywhere on here say that it's an eye primer, but I have to assume that's what it is because it says Eye Basics and then perfect primer to use under products. It says it's medium coverage, blends easily, demi-matte finish. Okay, it looks like I have mine in the shade Wheat, which appears to be just like a pinkish tan melon color. I really like the packaging. It's really cute packaging. It seems like you get a ton in here for an eye primer. Ooh, it feels kind of oily, which is like the last thing that I want my eye primers to feel like, but maybe it dries down and becomes not oily feeling. Yeah, it seems to be drying down. I don't know about that color though. I don't know if I want my eyelids to be like burnt salmon pink colored. I don't know about this product, but I'll try it out. We'll let you know. You'll see it eventually in an empties or a favorites or something like that. So yeah, cute packaging though, and I've never heard of this product, so that's awesome to get to try a product that is either new or that I've never heard of before. Next in the bag, we have the Triple Sec Dry Bar Spray, which I actually just purchased a backup of this during the Sephora VIB sale because it is so good. It's a texturizing spray. It's super intense. I don't really get the 3-in-1. I think they say you can use it as a dry shampoo and something else, but it's just a texturizing spray. I would not use this as a dry shampoo personally. I think it would be way too texturized up by my roots, and I like to use this more at the ends of my hair. But I'm excited to have a travel size of it now because I have 2 full-size bottles. So excited about this. If you can hear my dog in the background, she's having some kind of dream where she keeps barking in her sleep. It's so cute. The next product is maybe the perfume sample. Yes, this is Tom Ford Black Orchid perfume, which I don't know if I've ever smelled this. Let's take a whiff right now. Why do they not put the notes in these little cards? I feel like that is the most basic information you want to know about a perfume, and they never put them in these cards. Ooh, that is so strong. It almost has like a licorice smell, like a flower and licorice, and oh no, I don't like this. I don't like this at all. I know a lot of people love this. It's one of their Sephora's best-selling perfumes, but no, I hate this. Wow, I hate this. Okay. All right, moving on. Next, we have a tube of, what is this? The Peter Thomas Roth 24 karat gold lift and firm prism cream. It says it's a self-adjusting illuminator and targeted highlighter, but it also says clinical skincare. I'm confused. Is this a highlighter or is this skincare? Okay, according to the directions, this is a face and body highlighter. Look at that hollow packaging. That's really pretty. Okay, let's open this up right now and take a look. Let's do a little swatch. Alright, so it's a liquid highlighter. Sorry, my lighting has gone a little bit blue here, but ooh, that's very, very subtle. But you can see like no highlighter. It's gorgeous. There's no shimmer in here at all, like not even the tiniest speck of shimmer. It's just slightly sheeny. I don't know how this would work over makeup though, but maybe if you have dry skin and you just wanted to use this alone, it would be really pretty. I'm gonna try it over makeup. That is so interesting. It's so subtle, but really, really pretty. I've never heard of this product. That's cool. I love the packaging. How many times am I gonna talk about the packaging of products in this video? Guys, all I can smell is that Tom Ford perfume and it's making me cough so much. Okay. Oh, my highlight like matches the bag now. Not in this lighting, but in real life. Oh my god, it's so pretty. That's so pretty. Okay. There are 2 more products in here. Should we go for the tube or for the little square thing? Let's do the square thing. Okay, this is a Smashbox little eye duo, and I know that it's a duo because we've gotten one of these before. Luckily, this is a different shade. I will show you the other one that I have. So this was the other one that I got in a Sephora Play Box. It's the full exposure one, and it just came with a matte, like skin toned shade, and then a super, super glittery shade, and then a little tiny mirror. It's a cute idea, but I almost never use this. I just use the matte shade to set my eyelids because I'm trying to use it up and not be wasteful, but I don't use this. So, I mean, I am glad that we got a different shade, but like, really, we're already getting another Smashbox eyeshadow sample. That's a little bit disappointing. I do like these shades better, but I don't like the idea of just having two shades. Like, I either want my palette that's a bunch of individual shades, or I want a full palette, you know? But I like that you can test out some Smashbox eyeshadows. Let's swatch them here. What shades does this say it is? This is Turned On and Psyched. I could not tell you which one is which. Alright, so it looks like it's just a satin brown burgundy shade, and then like a duochromy peachy shade, but also satin. Neither of these are metallic, but they're also not matte. They're very much satin shades. So, kind of happy about this, kind of not so happy. But it is cute, I'll give it that. Little things are always cute. And the very last product that we have in the bag is this tube of something. Oh my god, what is this? An Anastasia? Is it a liquid lipstick or a lip gloss? Let's find out. This is the lip gloss in the shade Vintage. Yay! I'm glad it's a lip gloss because I'm not a huge fan of the Anastasia liquid lipstick formula. So I'm glad this is a gloss, even though I'm not a gloss person. Sometimes I liked it. Sometimes I dabble in glosses. So here's the shade. These are super pigmented glosses. I only know that from swatching them in stores. I've never owned one before, but like, I mean, you can see that's insanely pigmented, and it's a freaking gorgeous color. I'm glad they gave us a really wearable color. Really excited about that. So overall, I am pumped about this box. I'm really excited about this product, the Peter Thomas Roth highlighter. Love the triple sec dry bar shampoo, so excited to have a travel size of that. Interested and curious about the Laura Mercier eye primer. Iffy, but kind of excited about the Smashbox eyeshadows. Not into the Tom Ford perfume at all, and really excited about this lip gloss. So yeah, overall, these were two super good boxes. Yay, I'm so excited. I need to go wash my hands because now I have swatches everywhere, and that's probably gonna get on something because I'm a klutz. So I will see you all in my next video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Go watch my old videos. I've got a Milk Makeup Foundation review, empties videos, stuff like that. Did I say subscribe? Subscribe if you haven't, please. I would love to get to 100. That would be so cool. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!